shoulder, quiet sun on my face, steps in rhythm with the city, feeling time pick up its pace. Dust on my shoes, fresh paint on the wall, new road breathing where there once was none at all. Yellow hats laughing on the shoulder of the hill, measuring tomorrow with a chalk line and a drill. We walk these streets of tomorrow, laid down by daughters and sons. From the rock and rebar sorrow to the shine when the work is done. See the roads under construction, hear the heart in the hammer sound. Buildings popping up here and there, citizens moving up and down, with eyes full of wonder on this waking piece of ground. Old man at the kiosk, counting notes with careful hands, says, look around you, brother, that used to all be sand. Now a tower cuts the skyline like a pencil in the blue, balconies like open palms, reaching for the view, coffee steam in the doorway, blueprints spread on a chair. Every stain on these work shirts says we chose to build it here. We walk these streets of tomorrow, laid down by daughters and sons. From the rock and rebar sorrow to the shine when the work is done. See the roads under construction, hear the heart in the hammer sound. Buildings popping up here and there, citizens moving up and down, with eyes full of wonder on this waking piece of ground. Concrete mixer turning like a patient steady drum. Women in bright scarves count each truck that comes. Children tracing bridges in the corners of their books, drawing lines that leap the river, changing how the city looks. From the hillside to the market, fresh asphalt in between. Every path that we are paving was a rumor, now it's seen. We walk these streets of tomorrow, laid down by daughters and sons. From the rock and rebar sorrow to the shine when the work is done. See the roads under construction, hear the promise in that sound. Buildings popping up here and there, citizens moving up and down, with eyes full of wonder on this waking piece of ground. Listen, can you hear it? In the laughter, in the strain, every brick that finds its place washes off a little pain. From the farms to way to the town, threads of steel and stone and heart, weaving something strong and proud. Young woman on a scaffold, sleeves rolled to the sky, writes a number on the plaster like a quiet battle cry. Down below, a vendor balancing fruit in both hands says, my children will remember only gardens where there was sand. In traffic lights blinking on a brand new avenue, every signal, every sign says this road was built by you. We walk these streets of tomorrow, laid down by daughters and sons, from the rock and rebar sorrow to the shine when the work is done. See the roads under construction, hear the future in that sound. Buildings popping up here and there, citizens moving up and down, with eyes full of wonder on this waking piece of ground. Office glass reflecting, clouds drifting slow. Inside, tired faces still learning how to grow. Power lines humming softly over fields that used to sleep. Now the city's quiet heartbeat follows every moving feet. Step by step we carry all the stories, all the scars, turning tools into a language that can talk to distant stars.